might want to back up. It's about to wrap the Ferrari. About to wrap the Ferrari. Here we go. Well, that's Aston Martin. That's Aston. Watch how loud this Ferrari would be.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Whoever think that is gonna get blown away. That's how powerful those cars are. I'm the Mercedes gonna get wrapped.
That's a nice Ferrari. Oh, here we go. Oh, man. Oh! Dang! Dang!
Imagine hearing that when you're on the highways. Imagine.
Yeah, imagine just you.
Oh, that's gonna get
Oh,
louder.
Huracan time.
That's the McLaren.
Huracan. Holy moly.
Look at Ferrari, Aiden.
Let's see. Yo, that car's loud. It's Mercedes.
Oh, it's a Ferrari now. It's got a Ferrari.
Dude, you might want to back up. Because these cars are loud as all. Yo, that Ventador engine is so loud.
What about that purple?
Oh my god. Yeah, they rubbed the purple Lambo.
The blue one? The purple one isn't loud.
Oh, the train coming. I swear I hear a train. Train coming. Train. Train. Aventador! have a train.
It's still going.
We have a train.
It's still going.
We have a whole
How long is
whole
this
train. We have a whole train going by, bro.
Oh, you want to walk?